In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Jira tickets to Confluence like a pro. If you've ever found yourself struggling to keep your projects organized across multiple platforms, this guide will simplify that process, making sure your workflow is seamless and efficient. First, it's crucial to verify that Jira and Confluence are connected. This integration enables a smooth flow of information between the two platforms. Ensure you've got the right setup before diving in. Access Confluence settings by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your gateway to configuring how these platforms work together. In the settings, you'll notice a panel on the left. Click on Data Management and then select Application Links. Here, you will manage the connections between Confluence and other applications, including Jira. If you find that your Jira is not connected, don't worry. Look for the option to create a new link. This is essential for establishing communication between the two platforms. To connect, you'll need your Jira URL. Enter it and follow the prompts to authenticate. Authentication is critical as it ensures secure and verified access to your Jira data. Once this step is complete, you're ready to start linking issues. Now, let's move on to linking Jira issues directly on a Confluence page. Begin by navigating to your Jira project or board and opening the specific issue you want to link. Each issue in Jira comes with a unique URL. Copying this URL is the key to linking the issue to Confluence. With the URL copied, go to your Confluence page. While in editing mode, paste the Jira issue URL directly onto the page. This action is incredibly potent as Confluence recognizes it instantly. It automatically converts the URL into a smart link, providing you with the issue key and its current status. Additionally, Confluence offers you the flexibility to choose how this link is displayed. If you prefer a more visually prominent representation, you can opt for an inline card view. This visually engages your audience, offering a snapshot of the issue right within your Confluence page, which can enhance clarity and promote better collaboration among your team. And there you have it. Linking Jira tickets to Confluence becomes an intuitive, streamlined process with these steps. By keeping your Jira and Confluence connected, you'll improve your project management efficiency and ensure all team members have instant access to the most current and relevant project information. Remember, maintaining a robust link between Jira and Confluence not only keeps your projects organized, but also saves you tons of precious time. Thanks for tuning in and happy linking.